watching his ass, let him know that I got him fast. Soon as his ass get close, nigga, I'm out like the motherfucking hurricane. Go straight, stop, ready to get his ass. Rip his ass apart, but I know his ass real fast, man. So I creep it slow, play it low, lay on my right, put on the little show. Cause I'm all like that, scratch my balls, shake my ass, yeah, let my tail hang, let it swag, hey. Cause I'm big man from my ground, they know this shit. Cause when I let off that bar, yeah, that bitch shit, man. Any fangs in my mouth, man. When I grab shit, I rip shit, tear shit, hey. Yeah, I got his ass, creeping slow shit. I'm doing some silly shit, yeah, on the grass, so, hey. But he don't know, soon as I'm in reach, that ass gon' for sure. Cat, the rat, the dog, hey. I'ma live with the motherfuckers, yeah, you see me, y'all, hey. Big boy, steady come quicker. I'm about to have a full dinner, nigga. The cat, the dog, the cat, the dog. How they gon' live together? Hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog. How they gon' live together? Hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog. How they gon' live together? Hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog. How they gon' live together? I'm sick here. That motherfucker think he slick shit. Like I don't see his ass over there trying to do tricks. I ain't stupid shit. I ain't lame pussy for no motherfucking dumb shit. Cause I'm smart on my shit, on my paws. Yeah, you a big boy with the big jaws. See you smelling shit. I see you sloppy shit. Then you gonna have me for what dinner shit. Motherfucker, I would reach out, stretch out, what pull up the motherfucking claws. Yeah, you know when you come here, I got these motherfuckers sweating, hate them, make it put your ass on their ass. You think about shit twice when you run up. You think you got me in the hooker, but what not? Hey, they call me Mr. Pussy, Mr. Pussy, nah, Mr. Bitch, meow, cat now. Hey, the cat, the dog, hey, how they gon' live together? Hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog, how they gon' live together? Hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog, how they gon' live together? Hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog, how they gon' live together? I got his ass on his ass shit. That motherfucking cat think he real clever shit. Hey, but he don't know I earned my stripes and my grounds around my way. Yeah, you know, when you step with my territory was dangerous land, man, like an anaconda on a fucking man. Swallow that ass up, whole shit, crush your bones all the way to your head, to your asshole, and you rip your ass apart, shit, while a nigga press the bones in your ass, nigga, and you know this, so come real close so I get that ass, bitch. Hey, cause I ain't gonna one word hard for you. I wanna get your ass in the fucking corner and it's on shit. I know you up for me fight, Mr. Pussy Ace is on the night. Okay, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog, how they gon' live together? Y'all, hey, the cat, the dog, the cat, the dog, how they gon' live together? Hey, OG no love, Death Row Blue freestyle off the dome. Hey.